The Dreaming Girl. Long time ago, there lived a girl who was extremely lazy and poor at the same time. She did not want to do any hard work but used to dream of being rich one day. She got her food by begging for alms. One morning, she got a pot of milk as part of the alms. She was extremely delighted and went home with the pot of milk. She boiled the milk, drank some of it, and put the remaining milk in a pot. She added slight curds in the pot for converting the milk to curd. She then lay down to sleep. Soon she started imagining about the pot of curd. While she lay asleep, she dreamed that if she could become rich, somehow all the miseries would be gone. Her thoughts turned to the pot of milk he had said to dream curd. She dreamed on. By morning, the pot of milk would say it would be converted to curd. I would churn the curd and make butter from it. It would heat the butter and make ghee out of it. I will then go to that market and sell that ghee and make some money. With that money, I will buy a hen. The hen will lay maize eggs, which will hatch, and there will be many chicken. The chicken will in turn lay hundreds of eggs, and I will soon have a poultry farm of my own. She kept on imagining, I will sell all the hens of my poultry and buy some cows and open a milk dairy. All the town people will buy milk from me. I will be very rich and soon I shall buy jewels. The king will buy all the jewels from me. I will be so rich that I will be able to marry an exceptionally handsome boy from a rich family. Soon I will have a handsome son. If he does any mischief, I will be very angry, and to teach him a lesson, I will hit him with a big stick. During this dream, she involuntarily picked up the stick next to his bed and, thinking that she was beating her son, raised the stick and hit the pot. The pot of milk broke and she awoke from her daydream. Moral of the story: there is no substitute for hard work. Dreams cannot be fulfilled without hard work. Thank you everyone. Subscribe these channels and be with us.